In this demonstration, we will download a script from the developer portal and add the script to Script Manager. Access scripts, recipes, and APIs on the Enable Developer portal. In the search area, enter the script name. In this example, we will go to the Workstation Daily Maintenance script. After verifying that the description matches the desired task, operating system compatibility, and that it is written for N-sight RMM, click the link to download the script. On the N-sight Management console, click Settings and select Script Manager. Click New. Enter a name for the script. In this example, we will enter Workstation Daily Maintenance. The description and usage notes are optional, but recommended. In this example, we will include the description from the developer portal. Usage notes can include details about the script's function or an example of the command line parameters to ensure other users can correctly configure the script. In this example, we will enter the source and date. The default timeout is the time period, in seconds, after the agent stops the script and reports it as failed. In this example, we will keep the default of 120 seconds. Check the type and indicate the OS. In this example, we are adding a check for Windows OS. Click Browse and select the script from the download location. Click Save. The script appears in Script Manager and may be added to devices or monitoring templates. Select the script to edit, delete, or download to another location. The sample scripts are not supported under any Enable support program or service. The sample scripts are provided as is without warranty of any kind, and Enable expressly disclaims all implied warranties including warranties of merchantability or of fitness for a particular purpose. In no event shall Enable or any other party be liable for damages arising out of the use of or inability to use the sample scripts.